Welcome to my new $1,000 crib. Come on in. Welcome to my new crib, a $1,000 G20 1996 high-top conversion van. We're living in luxury in this puppy. We've got a beautiful 24-inch HD TV in all 720p gloriousness. Got our very own deep cycle battery from 2021 that's not connected to anything and loosely sits under the seat, and with 2 free magazines for some in-house entertainment. You can't see out the back windows, but there's a reverse camera that sort of works. More importantly, it does have a stereo. Don't worry about the exposed fuses or why there's a door latch switch above it. Don't know what this is for. Might be important. If you thought these were swivel seats, you would be sorely disappointed. There's 2 different keys, and yes, one opens the door and one starts the rig, but at least there's a fob. That doesn't work. The driver's carpet only blocks your foot a little bit while driving. We've got our very own water system with fancy valve, and safety is of the utmost importance, and that's why everything is held down with ratchet straps. Like to cook in your rig? Well, we've got a gourmet stove right here for you. You looking for some extra storage? Well, there's a little bit in these, but not this one. You're not allowed to store things in this one. If you're wondering why all of the glass is missing from the other cabinets, well, so am I. But hey, we've got surround sound stereo, some in the back. Do you see that back there? Well, that's our fridge. And if you're wondering how we use it without inverter power or solar power, well, the answer is we don't. Despite having 400 watts of solar on the roof, there's actually no way to use that power. You might be wondering, how do you guys sleep in this build? And the answer is this beautiful, beautiful piece of woodwork back here. If you see these safety you simply grab this and pull as hard as you can. And then you have a beautiful twin-size bed. Look at that. That is just the top tier pinnacle of sleeping luxury. So that was my crib. I hope you liked it. It's a one-of-a-kind, luxurious camper van. Can never, ever, ever be replicated with how beautiful and how strategically everything was planned. Really, I give the previous builder a 9 out of 10. Could use a little bit more of the aesthetics, but it really gets all the basic needs done. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you would change, because we are going to be gutting everything in this rig, and we're going to build it out on a bussin' on a budget true fashion style to turn this into a luxurious camper van for under $5,000. If you're curious how possible it is to buy a crappy $1,000 van and turn it into a beautiful camper van, well then please like and subscribe, because we'll be taking you along the entire build with us. All right, y'all, that's enough of seeing my crib. Get out of here.